Hello everyone and welcome back to this tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can delete or remove a Google account from your Vivo smartphone. This process is very simple, but it's important to follow the steps carefully. So, let's get started. First, unlock your Vivo phone and go to the Settings app. Scroll down until you find the section called Accounts. Tap on Accounts. Here you will see a list of all the accounts currently signed in on your phone, including Google, WhatsApp, Facebook, and others. What we need to do is focus on the Google account. Now, choose the Google account that you want to remove. Simply tap on the email address. After that, look for the option that says Remove Account. Tap on it. On some Vivo phones, you might find it by tapping the three-dot menu in the top right corner, and on others, you will see it directly at the bottom of the screen. When you tap Remove Account, a confirmation message will appear, telling you that removing the account will delete messages, contacts, and other data from the phone. Don't worry, this will not delete the Google account itself, it only removes it from your device. You can always log back in later using the same account if you want to. Go ahead and confirm by tapping Remove Account. And that's it, you have successfully deleted a Google account from your Vivo device. And that's all for today's tutorial. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.